please prepare for CAT 1. So keep on taking class will taking your time, so that go and prepare for CAT 1. Before that, I will outline that important questions, just overview as somebody requested, and after that I will take attendance. After that you may leave. Okay. So question is that. Okay. So the first one, interconnection of components of registers.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in that common bus connection, sir, to common bus is connected to all the registers in that concept. Sir, do we need to remember this value of select lines, the different select lines? Like we have 3 select lines.
0, 0, 0, 1, 0. That one you are asking, right?
Yes, sir. Do we need to remember the values of select lines?
How many lines? Yes, yes, yes. See, it is displaying. I will show. I will display 1 second. It is displaying, right? Yes or no? Right now it is displaying, right? Okay. Okay. So see, there are, and in this slide, the right side, if you see that address and the respective unit, right? So as to enable that particular hardware component, we have to pass this signal lines, right, through the bus. So triple one, which indicates to access the to enable the memory part, right? Similarly 001 for address register. So likewise, each and every hardware part that register and memory unit, it has a respective. So you have to memorize that. Only 7, right? 7, 7 or 8, yes. Oh yes, except the 000, right? So except 000, so it is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So these things you have to remember. Yes, of course.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, so actually the first important topic, this hardware. You just prepare this register component. The question, however, it will ask in different thing, right? You just use this address values. That is the, sorry, what is this? Different signal values and the respective hardware component. You match it and you explain, right? That will sufficient, right? So, but the question will ask in different way, right? But you don't afraid about that question. Yeah, the meaning of that question, finally it will come. If you properly read, then you will understand it is meaning of what is that?
So
This mapping of this signal numbers and the respective hardware unit. Okay. Yes.
So,
yes. 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 Tell me.
so can you explain this once again, please?
Again, if I explain the 6 topics, it will take more time. Okay.
No, sir, not like completely, but in short, like just the gist.
You see here, different register set is available, right? Different registers are available for different register, including this memory unit. So as to you use this different register, a specific signal we are having. For example, 011, which is we are going to pass through this S0, S1, S2. and it will pass and it will enable the DR register, right? It will enable the DR register. See, S2, S1, S0, 0, 1, 1, and the data register will get enabled, right? What will happen is, see the diagram, LD, which means it is enabled. So now the LD, what is that? Now the DR register going to be utilized. The DR register is going to be used. So now the LD signal is enabled, right? LD we have to pass, because the LD is common for all register. So whenever LD signal is enabled, not all the register will be loaded. Only the DR register alone will be loaded, because 0, 1, 1 signal we have passed. So once the DR register, what is that? LD is enabled. The DR register is filled by the data available in this bus, from bus is loaded, right? So LD is enabled and DR status signal is passed. Then what will happen? The data available in the bus is getting loaded in the DR register. Okay, now the data register, DR register is available, filled with data. Now data is available. Now what we have to do? See, increment or clear, some operation we have to do, right?
Okay, sir.
And okay, then read. Okay. So similarly, we have to apply for other registers, right? Similarly, see the memory unit, write is there, right? See the memory unit. The memory receives information when the write is enabled. Then read is there onto the bus, right? So write mean it is what is that? Receives, right? In the memory
Yes, sir.
unit, write signal we passed. Then what will happen? It receives, that is writing into this memory unit. Read signal passes mean reading from the memory unit to the bus. Write means writing in the memory unit from the bus. Read signal mean reading from the memory unit to the bus. So likewise, then automatically the sentence are here. You just read it, it will understand. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Second topic, Von Neumann, Harvard. Von Neumann and Harvard, what you have to do, you compare the performance, right? You draw the diagram as usual, and also draw this one, and do this comparison also, right? Von Neumann, Harvard comparison also you do it, okay? And by your own, you search in internet, right? You search in internet, what is the performance measures of processor, not Von Neumann, Harvard specifically alone. In general, it will say some megahertz speed or time clock speed. So it in general it will tell, not specific of this Von Neumann. In general, it will tell you that also you add it by your own, right? That is like your own work. Do you understand?
So what performance?
You just Google in the not during examination, now itself, now mean this class or after the class, just Google performance comparison of processor. If you type it, it will indicate, see, I will also show, it will indicate various what is that, the metric, right? like megahertz and gigahertz or whatever it may be that, right? So that hertz based it will indicate. Moreover, it will also indicate what is the time taken, right? Then the response time. So likewise, it will show some parameters, right? So the just list out that parameters, 2 or 3 parameters. Then you just discuss about that also, right? Performance about the processor. Okay.
Right. So benchmark and all.
Yes.
So are you talking about benchmark?
No, not benchmark.
Dividend distribution tax.
See the performance comparison processors, right? Are you seeing that Google? My sharing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So just you type that, it will display some in gigahertz and clock speed and time, response time, right? So these are all the, just use these 3 performance metric, right? The clock speed and what I told, the clock speed, and then in the, it is in hertz only, right? Gigahertz or megahertz, it will tell the frequency, it will convey, and what else? The response time. Okay. Okay, these 3 things you do it. Minimum, maximum, 5 also you do it, right?
Okay, sir.
But other things same. The, what is that? Von Neumann, Harvard, the diagram, the comparison, the 2-3 diagrams are available, including the instruction word, all those things available, right? That you do it as usual. So this diagram, comparison both, and Von Neumann instruction, this diagram, comparison, everything you do it. Okay, right? Next, third one. Yes, not third one, 3 and 3 more topics related to yes, something 169. You raised your hand, knowingly or unknowingly. 169. Any doubt? Nothing. Okay. So the next question I told you that fixed point arithmetic operations. So right, fixed point arithmetic operations, there are 3 things are there. One is addition subtraction, that is one topic, means question, one topic, and multiplication one topic, and a division one topic, right? Any 2 numbers will be given. You are expected to do the, what is that, hardware circuit and the flow chart, then illustrative example, right? These 3 things you have to do. So these 3 things, 3 topics, Von Neumann Harvard, 4th topic, interconnection of component of register 5, then last one, only one thing is there, 6th one, an expression will be given, right? For that you have to write an assembly language program, that's it. Any addition, multiplication, division or subtraction, something. Do you understand? Clear? I hope I
Sir, repeat
covered
once
that.
again, sir.
Sir, can you
Sir,
explain that
repeat once
last program
Last one?
execution?
Sir, can you
Assembly
repeat sir,
line?
once again?
Yes, the last one. Expression will be given. You have already solved during our tutorial presentation. A plus B minus C, P plus Q minus R, something we given. You remember? You remind that? We have given. Yes, likewise. A small expression will be given, just only 2 plus or minus. You also pasted that only with the assembly language program, not pages, only 3 lines. Add, mul, sub, store, that's all. So likewise, you have to do that assembly language program. Example is, you have to write the explanation also. I will show that example PPT. It is already available in our PPT. That is unit 1 only. Unit 1.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, you were telling about interconnection of components. Which components, sir?
Register components. We call it as interconnection of register components.
Okay, sir.
Sir, this is the program execution, sir.
Presently you are viewing, right? Presently you are seeing
Yes,
the
sir.
screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is
I will be asked, I will mention, see here, C equal to A plus B, or X equal to P plus Q plus R, or something equal to P minus Q plus R. Something like this expression will be given. You have to write the program. This is the program, that's all. See, load M500, add M500. Then the explanation also you have to write, because it is not 1 mark question, no. 1 mark question mean you have write just load M, add M, but it is 5 or 10 marks. So especially that is 10 mark question, yes. Obviously it is 10 mark it came. So you have to not only write this only 2 word load add, you have to write this explanation, and you have to write this diagram, right? And you have to mention the sequence, because there is no animation while you are writing. So you just put the steps sequence. This will come first, this will go second, likewise. Okay, this diagram explanation for the particular values, for the value, right? A plus B mean 2 values.
Sir, can you
will be there.
explain the diagram once, sir? Sir, what way exactly you have to mention in the diagram, sir?
What, sir? Every time forget. You remind that it will come this. Your PPT already shared in the slide window, in the full screen mode. You just full screen, not full screen. What is that? Slideshow. If you put the slideshow, it will come like this. Then only that animation will work. You are viewing, right? So first
sir.
line it is going. Then the first in MBR, only that right part will be there. Then the left part. So finally only that load M will be first executed. That is load M in 500 in the 500 address. In the 500 address, one value will be there. For example, assume it is 3, right? See, 3 is going. 3 is going and loaded in the accumulator, right? See, loaded in the accumulator. That is the step. So likewise, you have to step by step, you have to explain.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Then coming the next one, add MX. Add MX mean it have meaning accumulator content plus the 501. So 501 is going first to the address. Then 501 we have value 4, right? Say address 501 in go the 501. What is available? 4. See the now 4 is going, right? So then that 4 plus 3, it modified 7. See accumulator equal to 7 modified. So finally that 7 is going to be stored. STORMX, store. Store mean it is now main memory contains 7. That's all. You likewise you do it. Okay. So this page, that the diagram sequence, then this program, then the explanation. Explanation mean paragraph and as well as this derivation also. Okay. Okay. Then what else? Yes, it completed, right? So all the 6 topics covered, right? You are clear now? What is expected? What is the topics?
And
have-
flowchart thing, sir, what were you telling, sir?
No, in this there is no flow chart for the assembly language program. The expression given.
Oh, no, sir, for multiplication and division.
Okay, okay. See, for the expression given, you have to write the program, explanation, and this diagram. That's all. For all these other 3 program, other 3 topic, that is fixed point arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, one question, one topic, then multiplication one separate, division one separate. For that, for each and every question, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, you have to write hardware circuit. That is, I will show you what are the 3 things expected. What is displaying now presently?
Yes, sir.
Which page is displaying? Addition, subtraction is displaying, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. In which what the 3 things is expected? One is hardware diagram. That is this one, right? This one, hardware, number 1. Number 2, algorithm. Algorithm mean explanation, step by step. See this one. 1, 2, 3, these steps, and addition and complementer provides a form. You have to write in steps, right? You write down step 1, step 2, step 3. That is hardware, right? Right. See. Right, step 1. Likewise. Okay.
So in 1.5 hours, we'll be able to complete all this 6 questions.
Pardon me? What?
In 1.5 hours, we'll be able to complete all these 6 questions.
Yes, it's possible.
Because looking at the contents of the slide, it is nearly impossible that we can include everything like these diagrams and these paragraphs, and that too in 6 questions, not just 2 or 3.
Yes, it is possible. You write it. Even some people will complete earlier and keep ideal sometime. If you prepared well, if anyone prepared well. Based on understanding and practice, how much you did, that speed will come. I'm changing that. Likewise, steps you have to do it. Okay, understand? And okay, so number 1, the hardware circuit or hardware diagram or hardware implementation. Number 2, this algorithm. These 2 things are more important. Then third one, these are all not required, and flow chart. Then that's it. These are all 2's and 1's complement explanation, not this. These are all basics. So first here only it is starting, addition, subtraction. So flow chart, number 1, number 2, hardware diagram, this 1, 2, number 3, algorithm, number 4, example, right? See, example mean in question it will ask. For example, in question they may be asked this number and this number add, or in the question it will ask subtract something, right? Because this is addition, subtraction. If the question there is no number given, then you have to assume your own numbers. For example, you prepare this one directly, A3 or B2 or any value. It is not mandatory, only this example. You assume your own value. If the question is not given any specific number, you assume your own number, you derive this number. That's it. So 4 things: flow chart, hardware, algorithm, this illustrative example, that is the values, right? This values, illustrative example, 4. Then explanations, right?
Sir, which hardware diagram
is-
we have to, sir?
It is 10 mark question,
because-
right? It is not 5 mark
Sir,
question, it
because-
is 10 marks question.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell
Am
me,
I
tell me,
audible?
tell me.
Sir, on the above page, it's also mentioned here, sir. There is one another hardware diagram, like in the page 15.
Yes. It is there. This is only
Yes, sir.
outline. This is only outline.
Okay, sir.
You put this one. This hardware diagram will also cover this one. So this hardware is only overview. This hardware is very specific. So you follow this one. If both are available also, no mistake. But this is important, right? This hardware
Okay,
diagram
sir.
important. This covers both. Okay. This is more important. See here, the complementer adder is available. So here the complementer adder, both will be merged into a single part. That's all. Then BR register here, AC register here. See, B register is here, AC. That's all. Nothing else. Okay. That is 2 register mentioned with carry also they mentioned. So that they mentioned AC. Nothing else. Okay. Finish. So likewise, you have to do it. Understand? I hope you will do well. Go now. Prepare well. And I think tomorrow is the exam. You received the schedule, right?
Sir, day after tomorrow.
Yes. Tomorrow you have another exam and complete architecture. Session 1. Friday. Okay.
Yeah, man.
So answer your attendance.
वहाँ घूम जा भी है